Frequency is just the rate at which energy vibrates, right? So let me take a step back first. You all know that I believe, not even I believe, we all know that everything is energy, right? And so once we can wrap our mind around and start to frame things and look at things from the belief and the knowing that everything is energy, like we start to get this kind of compounding understanding of how we are able to shift things, because we can absolutely shift and change energy. All right. So frequency is the rate at which energy vibrates. Everything in existence, every thought, every emotion, every object carries a vibration. Okay. Think of it like a radio station. The universe is broadcasting infinite frequencies at once, right? Love, joy, peace, abundance are all on one station. Then there's fear, shame, guilt, scarcity. They're all on another station, right? All of these things are being broadcasted. You can't listen to two stations at the same time, right? So we can't be on the station for abundance and be on the scarcity for, I mean, see it, and be on the station for scarcity. Okay. You have to tune into one or the other. So when we're talking about what frequency are you vibrating at, think of that, right? Think of, I can only vibrate at this one particular thing. I can only listen to one radio station at the time. So if I'm saying I want abundance, but I'm vibrating, or I'm tapped into, I'm tuned into the station and the frequency of scarcity, how do those two things work out? And in this book, he creates a map of consciousness and he assigns measurable frequencies to different emotions. So shame and guilt vibrate at lower levels, love, joy, peace vibrate at higher levels. And so understanding that helps you to really just tap into understanding that your frequency determines your perception and then ultimately your reality. So when you're at a low frequency, let's say fear or self-doubt, because you're sending that out, the thing that comes back has to be a match to the thing that you've sent out. So if I'm sending out fear and self-doubt, what's going to come back to me is what? Fear and self-doubt. You start to notice more obstacles, you feel unsupported, you attract relationships that reinforce those emotions because that's what we're sending out.